No nikumira nende kirondora nkwithirangio kurikana kia kiuria kietu kentukirwa tukuria nonete uritingwe bwa thirikari yeku ya county nonete uritingwe bwa thirikari yeku ya county no ithire tutumaira maoni yaku kurukira namba yetu ira tina mari kinyariko nione 23578 kana yele ithatu ithano mwanje nyanya kana nyokulukira mitandao yetu yo kinyaniri na tuketha tukithoma yamwe ya maoni yaku na ngena kuni ati Rais William Ruto nekirite kirore watho wa gukurukira ndi kongela kigina kya county watho buneninde wekitwe ni Senator Kadhuri Murungi aranende mbunge cha county kamukira kigina kyayo ngonende gutungatira na kyo bate kurigira thirikari ya county
Ele ya kwele kila kile kigomano gya kola ithiri utungata bwa thirikari ja county Rais William Ruto muthenya omde alokile wikila saini miswada ile kuma kiri bunge ya Senate. Rais William Ruto agikila saini muswada kongera kigina kya thirikari ja county kiri muswada ojo thirikari ja county ni jongereto kigina kuma kiri bilioni 347 mpaka bilioni 415. Rais William Ruto akithija nambe na wikila saini muswada kuthithio karuruku kiri mawatho ma kigina kya mwingi kya thirikari ja county muswada wa mwaka 2023. Muswada uju na ulobanganitwe ni Senator wa county ya Meru Kadhuri Murungi uliregirwo kuthithio karuruku kiri mauntu kathumba. Bwa mbele ni gutiyira county assembly ni kwirungamira gikigina gwitukira kuthondekwa kwa county assembly service fund untu bubu kirigirwo gutethira county assembly kubangana kigina kyao na gutiga kwirigira mbesa kuma kima governor akerekire kigomano gya kulaithira utungata bwa thirikari ja county. Rais William Ruto ni akathite miswada no iri na kuge gatethira utungata kiri thirikari ja county ilo tungata bwa obisi ya governor na county assembly.
This morning, in a further demonstration of our commitment to devolution, I signed into law 2 landmark pieces of legislation: the County Public Finance Law Amendment Bill of 2023 and the County Allocation of Revenue Bill 2025. These laws cement the place and the principle of horizontal revenue sharing among counties and consolidate the place of county assemblies while clearly defining the respective responsibilities of both county and national governments. Let me say this, that I had the honor in Homa Bay to finally guarantee by law the independence of our county assemblies.
Kuma muji munene Nairobi, Beta Anthony, Rangi wa Kadenya.